Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got some exciting news, and I'm going to give you a little history first. Remember this show I did about a year ago about the RTL-SDR.com dongle? Um, it was very unique in that it had a bunch of enhancements over just your typical dongles that you could get at that time in this price range. It has a metal case. I think I actually have two of them, and they worked quite well. And I did several shows on this dongle. Well, not too long ago, they had on Amazon, this is the gentleman that produces these things, had a set of antennas, portable antennas, to go along with this thing. And when I saw it, I was like, man, I want to get that. Well, it's, I was so slow. They sold out before I could even get one, and they were out of stock for like forever. And I'd say about a month ago, they came back on in stock on Amazon. And I thought I would try to contact the gentleman that produces this, who did the design and is working with a Chinese company to get them produced, and see if he could give me some information about this set of antennas, because they look kind of like common antennas. And I thought, well, what's unique about these antennas? Now let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me get up here to Amazon, and here is the products that this gentleman sells. His name is Carl Laufer, and he's fairly young. I think he's been out of school not too long now. He does have a PhD, so he's got a good background on electronics and stuff like that. And he lives in New Zealand. So this, I think it's down further. This is right there. This is the one I bought. Now, when I bought it, it was, I think, $24.95. And if you also recall, I bought one of these. I bought this AM rejection filter and did several reviews on that, and it works fabulous. I've got a very serious problem with AM stations bleeding in on my shortwave dongles. And what I'm looking for is just, I don't see, yeah, here it is, right here. Golly, this was the kit that I wanted to get. And this has a couple of antennas and some adapters and stuff like that. But at the time, when I saw it and wanted to get it, they were out of stock already. So they're back in stock now on Amazon. I'm not sure if I've got them in my Amazon store because they were out of stock before. I got to make sure they're on my Amazon store. But anyway, I contacted Carl, and he said he would send me a kit for a review. So that came in a couple of days ago, and so I'm going to do a review of it. I'm going to do several shows on it. This is just kind of the intro show. And like I say, he carries or puts together designs and then has a Chinese company actually make the devices. Several items. Here's a bunch of them. There's some connectors which can do all kinds of adaptation for these types of devices. There's another set. And besides that, another thing of his I reviewed. Let me see if I've got it here. Right here. This is the Hobbyist Guide to RTL-SDR. He wrote this book. I didn't realize I didn't tie the two together. And I did a review on this book and told you this was a great book for beginners and even people that have been into SDRs to get started and progress in the development and understanding of these devices. So you can actually, as you can see, you can actually get this out of the Amazon Kindle store for free if you belong to the Kindle Unlimited group or whatever, where you pay $9.95 a month and you can borrow Kindle books. So, and I've told you about that several times. So you can get this book for free, or you can pay $9.95. Anyway, let's get back to, let's see, I gotta make sure I get on the right page, to this page here. Now let's click on, I'm going to click on just the, see, this is the whole set including the dongle. So you're getting the dongle for about $10 or something. So let's click down on the antenna kit, which is what I was interested in getting because I already had the dongle. So with the kit, you get four pieces of antenna. You use two at a time. You get this mounting bracket right here with a cable. Now, when I first looked at this, I'm like, well, this kind of looks like the old TV rabbit ears. Well, it's not. He's done enhancements on this to have it work properly with his SDR dongle or practically any dongle that has those connectors. And you get this other mount here, the suction cup mount, and this little tripod. Again, this is for portable work. You don't want to leave this out in the weather. You'd have to do some sealing up of the joints and stuff like that if you left it out in the weather. So I'm going to do an unboxing, a very short unboxing to actually show you the pieces, and then we will do some testing outside of this antenna. And he, on his blog, oh, that's the other thing I wanted to mention. He has the blog, which I've, again, showed you on several of my shows, the rtl-sdr.com blog, which he has hundreds of articles about SDRs. And one thing I've shown several times is this right here, is this listing of supported software for these dongles. And I'll just click on it real quick here. So remember this listing here, and it goes on. These are all the programs that will talk to these SDR dongles. And I've reviewed many of these programs, not all. Now this is quite kind of interesting. I hadn't been on this page for a while, and this popped up, and I go, Studio One? That's not Studio One. That's SDR Uno. Well, apparently SDR Uno came from Studio One, which Studio One is a very expensive program. Pretty cool. And then this goes on and on and on and on and on. So he has a ton of articles. Let me get back to the top here. He's got quick start guides. He's got featured articles, all kinds of information. So he has been running this for, I think he said he started this blog about 4 years ago. And I kind of sparked this interest into making these improved devices for approved SDR and the antennas, the filters, and everything. So far, all the devices I have purchased have worked fantastic. We're going to see how the antenna does. That's what's coming up next. So anyway, I want to thank Carl for sending me this antenna for me to check out. And stay tuned. Have a great day. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this show. Bye-bye.